Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to download and install Minecraft shaders. Step number 1, downloading Optifine. To use shaders in Minecraft, you'll firstly need to have Optifine installed. You can start by heading to the Optifine website, the link will be in the description. If you click Show All Versions, you'll be able to see every version of Optifine available. You'll choose the version that matches the Minecraft version you want to use shaders with. Since I'll be playing on the latest version, I'll click the blue download button for that version. You'll be redirected to an ad page. All you have to do is wait a few seconds, then click Skip in the top right corner. On the next page, click the blue download button again to start downloading the file. Step 2, installing Optifine. Once the file finishes downloading, make sure the file icon looks like this. If the file appears as a blank page, that usually means Java isn't installed on your computer. To continue and use shaders, you must have the latest version of Java installed. We've made a tutorial explaining how to do this, so the link will be in the description. If Java is installed, double-click the Optifine file to open the installer. Click Install, and after a moment, you should see a message confirming that Optifine was installed successfully. To make sure everything is working correctly, open your Minecraft launcher. If the Optifine profile for the version you downloaded is selected in the bottom left corner, you're good to go. Step 3, downloading a shader pack. Now that Optifine is installed, it's time to download a shader pack. Keep in mind that shaders are client-side only. This means only you need to install them to see and use them. Other players don't need shaders installed, and shaders cannot be installed on a server. In this video, I'll be using CurseForge to browse shader packs, but the download process is similar for most shader websites. Once you find a shader pack you like, click on it and head to the file section. Scroll down until you find the version that matches your Optifine version. Since I installed the latest version of Minecraft, I'll download the latest version of the shader as well. So I'll be clicking 1.21.11. Click the download arrow and wait a few seconds for the shader.zip file to download. Step 4, installing the shader pack. Once the shader pack is downloaded, press the Windows key and R key at the same time. In the pop-up box, type %, app data %, and press enter. When File Explorer opens, double-click the .minecraft folder. Inside, you should see a folder called shader packs. If the shader packs folder isn't there, simply create a new folder and name it shader packs. Open the shader packs folder and drag the shader.zip file into it. And that's it, your shaders are now installed. Step 5 is enabling shaders in game. All you have to do is open your Minecraft launcher again, make sure the Optifine profile is selected, and click play. Once the game loads, go to Options, then Video Settings. You'll now see a tab called Shaders. Click on it, then select the shader pack you just installed to enable it. Click Done, then join a world or server to experience Minecraft with shaders enabled. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.